Most of Christian channel makers have this confusion what the channel tags are versus video tags. Before I go to my laptop screen and show you example about the channel tags this video is about, I want to boost again because I got 3 subscribers. So if I do things properly and if you follow me, you will be able to monetize your channel in 3 months or less, depends on your niche. For this purpose, channel tags, let me explain what does it mean for you. Okay, look here, this is a picture. Okay, one side is artistic covered, another side is blank canva. Okay, now look, if you make your video, imagine this is your video. You made your video. In your video, those things, the apple here, the watermelon here, the apple and all those things, berries and stuff like this, those are the tags. Tag, 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 tag. This is when you make your video, you put the tags in your language, like how to make YouTube videos for Christian channel makers. Okay, so I just put it right now, a lot of tags in my video language. Okay, this is how you saturate it with the tags. Now, some people, what they do, they make church sermon. When YouTube looks at the tags, YouTube goes like this. Where the tags are? Where shall we send the video to? There are no tags to whom this means, right? I have no idea where to send it. Okay, now when you are putting the tags in there, YouTube looks on this and says, oh, okay, it looks like, yeah, it goes to the artists, journaling, self-expression, something like this, to those guys who are interested in those types of videos. Now let's go to the YouTube and I will show you something about the channel tags or keywords for your channel. We go to my video again. I will show you my example. You just follow what I did and do the same. Okay, so tags, you see, those are the video tags. We're not gonna go through them because we have been doing this last video. Now settings, we click on settings here and channel. Here you see the keywords. Those keywords, those are the channel tags. Why it's so important? Christian YouTubers, Christian channel makers, what is my channel's name? And if you remember, my channel's name is the same like this keyword, Christian channel makers. This is my tag here, Christian channel makers, but also the same I put it here on my channel's keywords, Christian channel makers, because this is my core, this is my brand name, this is what my channel all about is. Now look this goes to the Google. I want Google to get this, Christian channel makers. Okay, so it's not it. Thumbnail here. Okay, what I'm doing is, look, go to Canva. Here you see this one, Christian YouTube channel makers. If we copy this and if we paste that on a Google, see what happened? Booms. It shows up here, it shows up here, it shows up here, my video, because I'm saturating Google already with my main keyword. Tags, they call it channel tags, but in reality those are keywords. Add them to your thumbnails, that's how you rank on Google. Not in the first week, but you will gonna rank on a Google much sooner than anybody else. So I really hope you got that about how to add channel tags.